If you're running a global business on a traditional financial stack, you're effectively paying a business success tax every time you grow. You've likely got a bank for holding cash, a separate provider for FX, a couple of satellite bank accounts in different countries, something else for invoices and subscriptions, and then a pile of spreadsheets just to make sense of everything. Every dollar you earn has to pass through 3 or 4 systems before it lands where it needs to go. Now, between the 3% skim on every conversion, those $40 intermediary fees, the 3-day delays just to access your own revenue, and the hours your team spends matching receipts to spreadsheets and then reconciling across dashboards, this legacy infrastructure feels like it's always working against you. And I'll be honest, that system is sort of designed to eat your margins and time. And personally, I started looking into this because I was tired of spending my Fridays matching receipts to spreadsheets and watching my margins just evaporate every time I had to pay an overseas supplier or collect a USD invoice from an international client. I wanted a setup that didn't just store my money, but actually managed my operations, and that's how I ended up using Airwallex. So they are a global financial platform and an operating system designed to let you operate locally, everywhere. In the time that it takes to make a cup of coffee, you can open a local business account in London, Hong Kong, or Australia and start collecting revenue without a single forced conversion fee. So today, I'm walking you through the exact Airwallex setup for a US-based business. We're going to start with the initial sign up and the specific KYC hurdles that you need to avoid. And then I'll show you how to build a global infrastructure that turns your business account into an asset rather than a middleman. All right, so let's get into the actual setup. Go to airwallex.com and hit sign up. And when it comes to putting in your email, I'm going to give you a professional tip here. Airwallex is built for established businesses, so make sure you're using your domain-based business email, something like hello1@yourcompany.com. Next, you're going to answer a few quick questions about your company size and employee count. And when you are asked for your monthly transaction volume, be honest but optimistic. And this sets your initial account limit, so make sure that it reflects your growth plans. Now, this next screen is the most important one for your future workflow. It's going to ask you for your primary area of interest and select Open, a local or international business bank account, to ensure that your dashboard comes preloaded with global account and payment features. And finally, enter your legal name, create a password, and then provide your business name exactly as it appears on your articles of organization. And then you're going to select your headquarters. I'm selecting the United States. You will also need to provide a US phone number. I recommend using a direct line since you will be prompted to provide 2-factor authentication codes. So at this point, enter the verification code and then log in. And please do note that you'll need to be in an eligible country to use Airwallex. You can check out their website for the full list of eligible countries. Now, this video is sponsored by my friends over at Airwallex, which is actually pretty cool because I've been using them long before they ever reached out about doing a sponsorship. Our companies run payments through their platform for a while now, and they've always been super reliable for us. It just works. So it is nice to finally make it official. And if you do want to check them out, there is a link in the description that'll take you to one of the best deals you're going to find on their platform right now. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but it does help support the channel. And honestly, it helps me keep my job doing what I love here for you guys. So if you want to follow along with what I'm doing, feel free to use that link. All right, now once you're past all that, sign in with your email and your password. You're going to be prompted to fill in your business details, and this is where you provide the legal proof of your business. Fill this information out as accurately as possible. And please keep in mind that while we're focusing on a US setup today, requirements do differ depending on where your business is based. For a US LLC, you're just going to need your tax ID, your EIN, your articles of organization, and your official IRS confirmation letter. All right, so once you've uploaded the PDFs, click Save and Next. Now, Airwallex needs to understand what you actually do. So you're going to provide your industry, a brief product description, and a live website URL. Next, there's the business owner section. This part might sound intimidating, but it's really not. You just need to list anyone who owns 25% or more of the company. If it's just you, you'll list yourself as the beneficial owner and the control person. You'll need to enter your residential address, your date of birth, and your social security number. Just fill out all of the information accurately. And then finally, we have the identity verification. You're going to use a QR code to snap a photo of your ID and do a quick liveness face scan. And make sure that the photo you take, whenever it's prompted, is in good lighting conditions and without any glare. And this confirms that the person behind the screen matches the ID photo you just uploaded. And once that is all submitted, approval typically happens within a few business days, giving you full access to the dashboard. So for the purposes of this tutorial and to show you the platform in action without sharing private data, I'm switching to the Airwallex demo mode. And the best part is that you can access this demo instantly. You don't have to upload any of the legal documents we just talked about to get it working and start testing those features yourself. I've left a link to it in the description below if you want to follow along. All right, so when you first enter, you're going to see a dashboard that looks just like this. And I get it, okay? First things first, don't let the numbers give you a heart attack. I mean, I wish I had a $36 million just lying around in my account, but this is just a demo account. It's play money, so you can see what the system looks like. Now, the important part is the list of top currency balances on the right. And this is what your multi-currency balance and related global account will look like once you've opened an Airwallex account. You can open multiple global accounts in different currencies, from pounds to euros to USD to CNY, all in one place. Each global account comes with local bank details, things like account numbers, IBAN, sort code or routing number, and in some markets, local clearing ID. So to your customers and partners, it behaves just like a domestic bank account, and that is what allows you to operate like a local business in over 70 countries. All right, let's say I want to establish a local presence in Europe and Asia. I'll go over to the sidebar and click under the Wallet tab to find the global accounts. And then you're going to hit this purple Create Global Account button. All right, first I'm selecting Denmark. Immediately look at the account capabilities on the right. Now, this single account allows me to receive funds in DKK and 21 other currencies, including euros, yen, and even Swiss francs. And what's really cool here are these green check marks for domestic Kronos 2 and intra-DAG clearing. This means I now have local Danish account details. If I have a client in Copenhagen, I give them these details. They pay me via their local bank, and the money hits my account in hours with zero international wire or FX fees. Next, I'll do the same for Hong Kong SAR. Again, I just hit create, select Hong Kong, and now I have a local hub for HKD and CNY. And if you are working with manufacturers in mainland China, this is a game changer. If you have CNY on hand, you can use Airwallex to send payments to your overseas suppliers in CNY directly from this account without ever losing 3% to a forced currency conversion in the middle. And if you don't have CNY, you can convert funds with Airwallex at bank-beating FX rates and leverage local payment rails to pay your overseas suppliers. Now you're going to go into transfers, add or select a new beneficiary, choose CNY as the payout currency. Now with Airwallex, you can choose to route that payment over local clearing networks rather than SWIFT, so your supplier sees a familiar domestic CNY transfer, helping you save on the usual transfer fees. In fact, using Airwallex to make transfers means over 90% of cases, the funds land the same day instead of the usual 3 to 5 days it takes via SWIFT. All right, so now that the accounts are set up, we need to manage the money coming in. Airwallex can act as your payments gateway. Its key advantage is that it lets you accept all major schemes like Visa, MasterCard, and Amex, and over 160 local payment methods, allowing you to easily accept payments from international customers and clients. Now, unlike other payment gateways, Airwallex also lets you settle funds like for like in 20 plus currencies, right back into your multi-currency wallet, helping you save on unnecessary FX. And if you do sell on Shopify or WooCommerce, you can install the Airwallex payment plugin and route all card and local payment method transactions right through Airwallex. And keep in mind that to enable payments for your account, you will be asked to submit a few additional documents for your business, which are part of the KYB process. It's essential to confirm your business is properly registered, but it is very easy and straightforward. Now, if you are a freelancer or you run a services-based business, you can invoice clients using Airwallex's no-code payment links. I'm clicking on billing and then customers. Think of this as your central hub for managing client relationships and payments. I'll hit new customer, enter their info, and then in the subscription section, I can actually assign a subscription to them. I've set one up here for ongoing consulting services at $100 a month. Now, once I hit save, I can generate a payment link from the invoices section. Look at how professional this looks for the client. It's a very clean interface where they can see what they're paying for and they can pay it using their own local payment method. The best part, Airwallex handles the digital invoice collection on a recurring schedule, so I'm not spending my Fridays manually chasing payments. And finally, I want to show you how the money leaves the account so you can easily manage your business expenses. With Airwallex, you can instantly issue virtual company and employee cards in minutes, lock each card to specific categories and limits, and have every transaction flow straight into you spend reporting and your accounting. So I'm going to go into the cards tab and hitting create card. First, I'll make a company card for my Facebook ads, but instead of just a standard card, I'm going to use these category controls. I'm toggling everything off except advertising and marketing. This card is now locked to that specific purpose, which will make things more organized and easier for the entire team. And then I'll create an employee card for my assistant. Let's call him Bob, and let's say Bob is doing some legwork for me and I need to cover his travel expenses. I'll toggle on transport and travel for his card and I'll set a $2,000 monthly limit. If Bob tries to use his card for a personal subscription or at a retail store, the transaction is automatically declined. I get to delegate the spending without ever losing control of the budget. Now, once you've set up your cards, you're gonna notice that all card spend is automatically synced into Airwallex's built-in spend management platform. So every transaction is ready to review, approve, without any manual receipt matching or data export. And then finally, under connections and integrations, you'll also want to connect Airwallex to your accounting platform, whether it's Xero, QuickBooks, or NetSuite, to reduce manual reconciliation at month's end. Now, put together, this operational setup, global accounts, payouts, collections, cards, and accounting sync gives you a single financial stack that can actually keep up with how your business operates across borders. And here's my last pro tip. In your wallet under balances, scroll down until you find this yield section. If you are based in the US and you have cash that's just sitting idle in these accounts, you can now move them into a JP Morgan money market fund to earn a return while keeping the funds liquid. So if I need to pay a vendor, I can pull that money back into my main wallet just in a few hours. At the time I'm filming this, the yield is currently around 3%, but rates are subject to change over time. So make sure to check your own dashboard for the most up-to-date rates when you do sign up. And you do have to apply separately for this option, but I do think that it is worth it. It's the final step in making sure every dollar in your business is actually working for you. All right, so now let me just go over the plans and pricing really quick. So the Explorer plan is $0 a month if you do maintain a minimum balance or meet a monthly deposit threshold. It gives you the core global accounts, unlimited multi-currency corporate cards, and access to the Yield USD account that we talked about. And if you have a larger team, you can check out the Grow plan for $12 per person per month. And for massive operations, there's a custom Accelerate tier, but for almost everyone watching, that free Explore plan is the perfect starting point to build out your global financial infrastructure. All right, so look, at the end of the day, if you are someone who's running a US entity, but operating in a borderless economy, Airwallex is simply the move. It's built specifically for the founder who's tired of playing defense with their bank and wants to start playing offense with their operations. For me, the decision comes down to one thing: friction. If you are losing hours every month matching receipts to spreadsheets and losing thousands to hidden exchange rates, you are essentially paying a tax on your own time. Airwallex is for the person who just wants a single command center to automate revenue, control spend, and hold global currencies without the legacy headaches. So if you do want your financial stack to scale as fast as your ambition, well, this is how you build that infrastructure. And you can use the link in the description to get you started. For the sake of transparency, it is an affiliate link. Doesn't cost you anything extra, but using that link helps support the channel. And like I said, it can get you some good deals that you wouldn't find anywhere on their website. So if you do find this helpful, please leave a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, drop those in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.